This is Rocky Mountain Twist, America's best cutting tool manufacturer. We make industrial and aerospace grade cutting tools and accessories, as well as drills, driver bits, and accessories for the retail market. Situated in the heart of the Rockies, we are located near some of Montana's greatest landmarks, including Glacier National Park, Flathead Lake, and the National Bison Range. RMT has a huge team operating in a variety of roles, from engineers to machinists, quality control, graphics, packaging, plastics, die cast, shipping and receiving, and more.
Now we're in the drill grind department, where we take blank drill rod and do everything from centerless grind it, to cone it, to working the back end of it, all the way through the process of making it a finished drill.
This is Rocky Mountain Twist Machine Shop. We remanufacture parts to keep the manufacturing facility operating. We do wearable tooling. We have capability in CNC milling machines, lathes, EDM, surface grinders, manual machines, and we do a little bit of everything.
We're now in the rotary department, where we do everything from shearing blanks to making accessory components. Nut setters, countersinks, diamond drills, plug cutters, adapters, screwdriver bits, all of that is made right here.
This is Rocky Mountain Twist, and this is our drill finish department. We do a variety of coatings for both industrial and retail.
Many of our processes start in the engineering department. The engineers design new products, test products both destructively and non-destructively, support existing equipment, reverse engineer replacement parts, design in-house tooling for machinery, design cases and packaging, and create new automation. Speaking of which, this is Robert. He's been with us about a year now, and he takes our diamond drill blanks that we machine from solid steel, and he applies brazing paste and diamonds on the cutting edge of the drills. He is faster and more precise than humans doing it by hand. It takes a team of engineers and specialists to keep Robert maintained and happily fed all day. He has a number of safety measures to ensure he doesn't hit anything in his workspace or damage himself or the materials. He efficiently moves the blanks through the process to optimize how much adhesive setting time each piece gets and how uniformly diamond chips adhere to the cutting edge. Once the diamonds are applied, the drills are vacuum brazed and then steam oxidized for the dark color you see in our final product. Robert behaves pretty well most of the time. Bad Robert. Actually, we've been so happy with Robert's attendance and work ethic that we've hired his big brother, Rickroll us Cage, to help us make larger diamond hole saws. And we have many more automation projects slated for production soon. Speaking of new projects, our packaging department is one of the fastest growing teams in our facility. With new business opportunities comes a greater need for more people, higher capacity machines, and new technology to help us come out with a superior product. It takes a lot of different skill sets for processing materials, drill grinding, coating, brazing, cryogenic treating, maintaining our tooling and infrastructure, feeding our team, and working with our customers. We are continually expanding our capability through new machinery, our customer base, product line, and our incredible team. If you are interested in joining our innovative workforce at America's best cutting tool manufacturer, apply online at RockyMountainTwist.com.